morning, students. Welcome all of you in lecture 12. This is the last chapter. This is the last lecture of this chapter number 6. So up to now we have discussed, again I am revising by writing on the board, that first we solve question of 6.1. In this exercise we study generally linear pair of angles and vertically opposite angles. Then we study question of 6.2. Here basic was generally corresponding angle, alternate interior angle and conjugative interior angle. Then in this 6.3 we study generally two results. First, angle sum property of triangle, and second, exterior angle property. So let us see the solution of fifth question. This is the fifth question. This figure is given. In this figure, PQ perpendicular to PS. This PQ perpendicular to PS. Then PQ and SR are parallel. Angle SQR, this is 28. This angle is 28. Angle QRT equal to 65. This is 65. And we want to find out value of X and Y. So solution. We will start with parallel lines, and you know very well where lines are parallel, then generally we use alternate interior angle. So PQ and SR are parallel, so this angle, this complete angle PQR equal to this angle QRT. So this angle PQR and this angle QRT are equal. Now this angle has two parts, X and 28. So I can write here X plus 28. This angle is having value 65. So 28 on this side will become minus. So value of X is 37. So we want to find out X and Y. So we find out the value of X. Now if you see this triangle PQS, then in this triangle this angle is 90. This angle we know 37, means we know the value of two angles. So third angle we can find out by using the angle sum property. So let us take the triangle PQS. So here angle P plus angle Q plus angle S, P plus Q plus S equal to 180 by angle sum property of triangle. Now angle P, you can see here 90. So in place of P we will write 90. Then Q. Q means only this angle which is inside this triangle PQS. So this is X and this angle S is Y. So 90 as it is, in place of X we will write 37. Y as it is, 180 as it is. Now we will add these two. So 127 plus Y equal to 180. This 127 will become minus. So value of Y is 54. So again you can see here we are using two results. Alternate interior that we study in 6.2. Angle sum property of triangle that we study in 6.3. So most of the question are having not only one result but generally two results. Now we will see the last question of this exercise. Very important question. Question number 6. Now this is the last question of 6.3 exercise plus chapter also. Then this chapter will complete. So this figure is already given. Here we write angle 1. Here we write angle 2. Here 1 and 2 is not given in book, but for our easiness we write here 1 and 2. What is given? QT is bisector of PQR. This QT is bisector of PQR, means these two angles are equal. And RT is bisector of PRS. This RT is bisector of PRS, means these two angles are equal. These two angles are equal and these two angles are equal. So we can say that angle 1 is half of angle PRS. Reason, because RT is the bisector of angle PRS. This is bisector of PRS. Then we can say this angle 2 is half of this angle PQR. Reason, because this QT is bisector of angle PQR. This region we write down here, this region we write down here. Then we know that this exterior angle will be equal to sum of these two angles, this and this. So we take triangle QTR. Then angle 1 will be equal to angle T plus angle 2 by exterior angle property. So in this question we are using exterior angle property. Let this is equation number first. Then we will take the triangle QPR. So in this triangle this is exterior angle PRS. So this PRS will be equal to angle P plus angle PQR. So PRS will be equal to angle P plus angle PQR. Now we can see here that here we are having half of angle P. So angle P is here, but we want its half. So this is the main step, that dividing by 2 on both sides. इसके दोनों तरफ आप 2 से डिवाइड करें. So here PRS upon 2, here angle P upon 2, here angle PQR upon 2. So PRS upon 2, we can see PRS upon 2 is angle number 1. So in place of this we will write 1. This as it is. Angle PQR upon 2, angle PQR upon 2, we can write angle 2. Let this is equation number 2nd. So in first equation left hand side we are having angle 1. In second equation also left hand side we are having angle 1. So these two equations have same left hand side, so we will use the word from. So from equation first and second, one will cancel. Angle T plus angle 2 we will write in left. Angle P upon 2 plus angle 2 we will write in right. Then angle 2 will cancel. So angle T will be equal to half of angle P, or we write its complete name. QTR equal to half of QPR. Hence proved. So here you can see first we use the result of bisector. Angle 1 half of PRS, angle 2 half of PQR, and then we use the result exterior angle property, and this is the main step, that dividing by 2 on both sides, then left hand side both equation become same, this cancel, then angle 2 will cancel, and angle QTR will be equal to half of angle PQR. So in this way we complete this chapter. Thank you.